Hello guys, we are to prove that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and now we need to be very careful when dealing with stuff like this. So we need to understand the relationship between each terms and each variables. So now that we have log a to base b raised to power 2 and log b to base x raised to power 2. Now we need to know the relationship between the two logarithm. Now we should know that the relationship between these two logarithm is multiplication, and over to the left hand side, the relationship between 1 over 4 and log a base x is also multiplication. Now that we know that, now we need to prove that the left hand side is the same with the right hand side. Now if I'm to pick the two together, I'm going to use a lot of spaces on the board. Now let's just pick the left hand side and solve it such that at the end we have a simplified form for the left hand side that looks exactly like the right hand side. Now let's write log a base b raised to power 2 multiplying log b base x raised to power 2. Now I will advise we use the change of base method, and let's see how this will look like. Now the change of base method require us choosing a new base, so thereby turning it into fraction. Now you can pick any base for it. Now it's not compulsory that it is the base of the number and the base that appears there. So you can choose a new base for it. You can decide to choose a number or even any variable, a letter. So now let's see log. Okay, I would like to choose base 10 over log to base 10. Now we're going to distribute both the base and the power to it. So the power here is a and the base here is b raised to power 2. So that is change of base. That is what we've applied there. Now multiplying, are we there? Log to base 10 over log to another base 10. Then we distribute b and x raised to power 2 and add the numerator and the denominator. So we have b here and we have x to power 2. Now we can apply the rule of the power rule, so to the numerators of the two factors here. So we have 2 here, so we can bring them to the back. That's the power rule. So we have this to be log a to base 10 divided by 2. This 2 is now here. 2 log b to base 10 multiplying, okay, nothing to do here. We just have this one, so the power to be 1. So we don't have to do anything there. So now we turn this to the back. We have 2 log to base 10 of x. Fine. Now let's check this. This can cancel out with this because the relationship between 2 and log b base 10 is multiplication over here, and the same thing applies here. So we have log a to base 10 divided by log 2 log b base 10 times log b base 10 divided by 2 log 10, log x base 10. So this log b base 10 can cancel the log b base 10 here. So we are left with log a base 10 divided as 1 here. So this times 1 is still this. So now we have 2 remaining here. So we have 2 here. Then we have, remember, we have multiplication here, and this is multiplication. So 2 times the log give us 4 log x base 10. So this should give us, okay, a result. Now we can compress this back by, okay, let's separate the number. If you have to separate the number, we can have 1 over 4. So we can compress this as log, okay, to base 10 of a, and log of x to base 10. So we can compress this back by reversing the process of change of base. So this becomes 1 over 4. Then we have this to be the single. So this will be the base, x will be the base, while a will be the number. So log to base x here, then a. So it's the reversal process of this. So do have a nice day.